I'm seeing the snow going hard on all. I say I'm at the mall with your mother daddy. Hi queens, welcome back to my channel. This is Be The Beat, if you didn't already know. And if you didn't already know, that means you are new here, and I just want to say welcome. Welcome on into the bleaching party, okay friend? And if you are not new here, welcome back. I'm so glad to see you again, friend. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button because I know you're gonna love it here. Like, we have a good old grand slamming time around these parts, okay? You feel me? Today, I'm sure as you can tell by the title of the video, by the thumbnail, by all the things, is that we are getting into this hair today. Now, do not come for me because a lot of y'all already have, like, girl, where is the blonde at, okay? If you know, you know. As a blonde baldy, you gotta wait to get that length back a little bit so you can get that true, you know, good bleaching. Today, the platinum bald Betty is back. 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 Okay, she's coming back like she never left. Bet, just stand up. Let me just say this, okay? If you're not new here, then y'all already know what I'm about to say. It's disclaimer time. Disclaimer time, okay? Y'all, I am not a licensed hair care professional. I am a girl who just happens to know how to make her hair look good, okay? I've been doing my own hair for years, and I can make it work, okay? I'm not afraid for my hair to fall out. God forbid it falls out today, but my point is, I settled that to say, if you have any ounce of doubt, any fear within your soul about bleaching your hair, don't do it, friend, okay? Don't do it. I'm not here to tell you to do that against your better judgment. Seek a licensed hair care professional. Go to the salon and get your hair bleached if you scared. But if you a big dog, and if you about that life, then let's get started, boo. Okay, let's go. Today, I am currently out of my favorite bleach, and if you know, you know. But today, we're gonna try something different because I'm out of that one. I got developer left, but I don't have bleach. I have some Shimmer Lights lightening packets. I got these in a PR package a long time ago, and I never use the lightener because, like I said, I already have a favorite. But we're gonna use it today, and if this ain't hitting on nothing, then I got a backup. We will be moving on to Blonde Solutions if these don't do what I need them to do, okay? Also, another disclaimer, baby, we talk over here. So if you came just to get straight to the point, then you might want to just skim through the video because we're gonna chop it up over here. All right. First things first, what you're gonna need is obviously your bleach, your developer. This is the developer I'm gonna be using today. This is the brand that I love, my favorite. Go ahead and screenshot it. You're gonna need a mixing bowl, okay? If you don't have these fancy actual like cosmetology mixing bowls, girl, you can use a Tupperware bowl and just designate that as your hair bowl, okay? And you're gonna need a brush, like a hair brush, paintbrush, you know, the things. Also, you can use gloves if you're feeling frisky, but I don't have any right now, so I'm just gonna be using the brush. And I'm going to base my edges with some Vaseline, you know, to protect myself because we're gonna be smart girlies today. Now, I don't do this all the time. Like I was saying, I don't do this all the time because sometimes I can't be finding my Vaseline. But I just recently moved, so I just know where all my products are right now. They're in their own designated boxes. Girl, that might have been a little too much. Like, girl, be for real. And I am not going to relax my hair. Just FYI, I get a lot of comments asking, how do I get my hair slick? Do I relax it as well to make it lay down? No, ma'am. No, ma'am, no, ma'am, no, ma'am. Do not relax your hair with bleach, like with platinum hair. Do not do that. Because your hair will fall out. Okay, friend? Do not do that. Now that we are looking like a greasy mess, we're going to go ahead and bleach our hair. It is a nice light blue shade. And y'all, that's what you want because it's going to help tone the hair. So I did like 1.5 packets because I'm going to save some for my round 2. because baby, we always do around 2 over here. But oh yeah, I saw this hack. Instead of taking all the bleach off and doing a complete like round 2, you can just wipe off the excess and then apply more bleach on top of the base. And now as for measurements, I don't measure anything. I just eyeball it. So this is how much powder we got, and I'm gonna just put the developer in. It's a certain consistency we're looking for. I forgot to mention, but this is 40 volume developer. I'm using 40 because I want to get my results quickly. The higher the volume, the quicker your hair gonna lift, but also the more damaging that could be to your hair. So do with the information what you will, okay? This is what it's looking like. Honestly, just slap it on. I don't really have any rhyme or reason to where and how I start. Chill. And wear some clothes that you don't mind getting bleach on, because you will make a mess. Okay, y'all, so round 1 is applied. You want to make sure you got an even coat. You don't see no black hairs peeking through. And I can already tell that it's starting to lift because I'm seeing some light brown coming through. So I'm going to let this process for, let's say we're going to start with 30 minutes. Since I did 40 volume developer this time, we're going to start with 30 minutes, and I'm going to come and check it, see how much longer I need to let it process for. I will be back in 30. Okay, y'all, so it's actually been about 45 minutes or so, maybe a little longer, I don't know. This round is looking pretty yellow. That's what we don't want over here. We're gonna now try that scrape off method. Let's try it, shall we? I don't have any gloves, so I'm gonna scrape it off with this bag. Yeah, I don't know, I'm just really curious if this works. This would be easier if I had gloves, but that should be good enough, I guess. So let's apply the second round. This is what it's looking like scraped off. And let's go for round 2. I don't know, y'all. I am very curious about this. I've never tried this method before. If it works, this is a game changer.
Nobody. You can be my daddy if you want to. You can be my daddy if you want to. You can get it tatted if you want to. You can get it tatted if you want to.
So I will say I did not need nearly as much bleach as I mixed up. So far, if you do this method, you will save some bleach, because look at how much bleach I got left. I really could have probably done that half pack instead of doing a whole pack and a half pack. So that's, you know, a bonus so far. So we'll see if this really works. Then we're gonna be doing this method from here on out, you feel me? All right, so round 2, well, we're gonna call this round 1.5, because is this really like a full second round? Like, is this really gonna give what she said it's gonna give? Like, I'm kind of skeptical, but I am excited to find out. So this is what we looking like after round 1.5. I'm gonna leave this on for maybe 30 minutes, just to, you know, come back and check in and see what it's giving, if I feel like it's going in the right direction. If I don't feel like it's doing anything different, then I'm gonna rinse it out and just do a round by itself from scratch. So let's see. I'm back after 30 minutes, so let me see what it's giving. It's still yellow. I'm gonna let it sit a little longer. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rub it off again and put the rest on there because I see where it's going and I like where it's going. I have a feeling that if I was using my favorite bleach, this would actually work. I'm about to wipe this off again and put some more on there. Maybe one more time will get us what we're looking for. So now I would consider this round 2 because like I feel like this hack is doing like half rounds. So, oh, and by the way, I need to mention that my hair is not burning at all. Like my scalp does not burn. I'm not feeling any tingling sensations now. This is like round 2 kind of, so technically round 3, but I'll let y'all know if it burns later.
Motherfucker litty, she gon' shake that ass and I'm pretty, take a bit it. Get your ex up, get your Mac up. I'ma back it up, back it up. I'ma bust it up. See them great sweats, see a blank chick. Finally on the other side, finally on the other side.
Okay, so it's covered again, and this time I used the rest of the bleach that was in the bowl. And so now I'm about to let this sit for another 30 minutes. I'm about to get back to my Netflix show and we'll go from there. I rinsed out the bleach, so let's see the big reveal. Like, let's see what it's giving. Let's see if it's really bright enough and white enough. Okay, so I just simply rinsed out the bleach. I did not shampoo it yet. So this is just simply with the bleach rinsed out. Okay. I ain't mad at it. Like, I'm trying to see if I'm getting shedding, but it's hard to tell because this towel is so light. But, okay, I ain't mad at that. But now I'm about to shampoo it. So, since I had the towel on it, I'm going to just spray it with a little bit of water. Get you a continuous misting bottle. Like, this is everything. So I will say on camera it looks white, but it's not white in person. Like, it's definitely still got like a little baby hint of yellow to it. Like, I don't know if y'all can see. Y'all probably, on camera it looks white. On camera it looks perfect, but in the mirror it is giving just a smidgen of yellow. So I'm gonna go in with my purple shampoo. This is by Hair Biology, and all the products that I'm using will be linked in the description box for your shopping pleasure. Okay. Oh, and another thing, y'all, my head was not burning at all. Like, it did not burn at all. At all. And I've actually been scratching my head quite a bit over the past couple days. I just worked mine in, make sure I massage it in really well. Okay, so I shampooed it one more time, so let's see. It's looking very much icy girl. Like, it's giving Miss Tina Snow going hot on the hoe, okay? In the mirror, it's like, it's as close to perfect as I'm gonna get right now. No, we did not just do it on them like that. For all my blonde girlies, if you know, you know. You really don't know how toned your hair is until after it dries. Because when it's wet, it definitely be looking toned. So I'm gonna put on this little packet. I got this little packet of conditioner. I'm just gonna put this on. Apply some conditioner. Use whatever conditioner you like. You can use like a toning conditioner, but I prefer leave-in conditioners. I don't like to have to go back and wash conditioner out my hair too. And one thing about being platinum, baby, you gotta keep your hair hydrated if you want it to not look crunchy. Young Tina Snow going hard on the hoe. I said I'm at the mouth with your motherfucking daddy. Oh my gosh, I'm impressed. It looks so cute. So this is like no toning involved. No toning whatsoever. I gotta find my do-rag. Y'all comment down below. Let me know if you already knew about this hack. Let me know if you've tried it or if you plan to try it. I'm very interested to see how it does with my favorite bleach. And when I re-up on that, I really think that this hack would, honestly, I think it's gonna take me there. I'm about to style this and I'll be back with the end. If you want to see how I style my platinum hair, stay tuned because that's gonna be a separate video. So Okay, y'all, so this is the completed look. Get into it, baby. I can't even lie, like the color is damn near perfect. Like, if not perfect, it's this close. Okay, I would say all in all, this hack was a win. It was a win. It was a win. It was a win, because look at me, baby. It look good. I can't even lie to you, it does look good. It's pretty white for the most part. I didn't do any toning at all, so you can't beat this color without toning. Like, I will say, if I toned, I could get it a smidgen more white, but like without toning, I can't complain at all. Like, I can't beat this without toning. Okay, so love that for me. And it also did not burn, y'all. Like, my scalp did not burn at all the entire time, and I left each round on there 30+ minutes. Yeah, it did not burn at all. So I would definitely say try this hack if you are looking for a way to use less bleach. First of all, yeah, I think it looks really good. Okay, y'all, so after further review and after waking up the next day and really examining my hair, it was too yellow for me. Okay, so as you see in the video, it does look beautiful. It's a beautiful color. It's a nice toned blonde. But baby, we were going for like white. So it still got too much yellow in it for me. It's definitely giving like a really nicely toned 613, but I still want it to be white. So stay tuned for that video when I turn this color into my preferred color. So anyway, get back to the video. And love it for me. I did film a video on how I got this style, like how I did my waves and everything. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Subscribe, hit the like button. Follow your girl on Instagram, TikTok, all the things. I look good. I feel like myself again. Like, I'm back to the bitch. Like, you understand, okay? Y'all make sure you subscribe to my channel. Check out my All Things Blonde playlist, because, baby, it has everything you could ever imagine on it, all about my blonde hair. I know the girl is going to be in the comments eating it up. So make sure you check out the playlist. I'll have it linked at the end of the video. I will see y'all in my next video. Love y'all. Peace and love.